Newton's laws of motion and how they apply to bowling. Just as in any physical activity, Newton's 3 laws of motion can be seen when bowling. But first, what is bowling? It is an activity where people compete against each other to see who can knock down the most pins by rolling a bowling ball that ranges from 4 to 7 kilograms. Newton's first law states that an object remains in a constant state, whether that state involves movement, or remaining in the same position, until an unbalanced force acts upon the object. In bowling, Newton's first law of inertia is in effect because as the bowling ball is rolling down the lane it uses inertia to remain in its state of motion. That is, until the ball is met by an unbalanced force which is the set of bowling pins, which causes the ball to experience a change in motion and speed. Now on to the second law. Newton's second law states that in order to calculate the force applied on an object, you must find the product of the object's mass and its acceleration. The average mass of a bowling ball is 5.5 kilograms while the average acceleration of a rolling bowling ball is 1.8 meters per second squared. Thanks to Newton's second law, after multiplying these two values, we know that the average force applied on a bowling ball by a person is 9.9 newtons. Newton's third law of motion tells us that for every action applied by an object, an equal and oppositely directed reaction is reflected back at the object. In bowling this is the case. As the ball rolls down the lane, it becomes the action getting ready to collide with the pins. As a result, the pins become a reaction force that hits back at the bowling ball. This example shows the 3 truths of Newton's third law as the action and reaction are of an equal force in an opposite direction. And while the ball rolls down the lane backwards, the ground pushes the ball forwards, showing us the third truth. And since a bowling ball weighs much more than the pins are what fall to the ground. And that was the third and final one of Newton's laws of motion. Hopefully now you know how each of these 3 laws apply to bowling. Thanks for watching.